back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we got a new addition to the channel, the tiny SCX24 by Axial. It's got the MB4 at the side of it just to give you an idea of scale on this one, and it's just arrived. But we thought, why buy one? So we bought 3 of them, so we've got one each. So we should get some good fun videos with these when they finally remove the restrictions. Probably in 2021 now, which way we're going, but never mind. So let's get this unboxed and have a look at what we get. Right, so straight off bat, this thing is tiny. I mean, I can almost cover the entire thing with my hand. Quite a lot of nice detail on it though. I like the clear windows. Traxxas. Pay attention, clear windows are nice. Nice detail on wheels. Very soft tyres. It's quite an impressive little piece of kit. But let's get these pins out and have a look what we've got. So that's another nice little touch, similar to what you get on Armour. Nice little tag, because these things on the Lossy Mini T are a nightmare. The hinge setup's really nice. Let's see if these reaction 2s are any better than the ones that come with Mini Ts, because they're not brilliant. But I think there'll definitely be some scope for fitting different batteries or better batteries. It does look quite a nice setup, must admit. Still can't believe how small this thing is. A good bit of travel in suspension, quite a bit of articulation. So without moving that back wheel off, that's a good bit of movement. And yeah, you're getting pretty much same all round. I believe on all the these little cars you've got 2 LEDs mounted in the front bumpers and real metal chassis rails. And for the money, I think we got this one from Appliance Electrical that's recently moved into RC in the UK. Got quite a big stock and quite a variation of different car manufacturers and different add-on parts. But yeah, can't wait to get using this. Also in the box we have the chrome light bar and roll cage, or roll bar for the back. So I do appreciate that coming separate so it don't get broken off in transit. And then we get the standard USB style charger. So again, not had much luck with the one that comes with the Lossy Mini T, so see if this one's any different. The original battery for the Lossy Mini T, the stock charger, charged it once perfect, and then the second time it charged it, it only charged one at cells and killed the battery completely. They did replace it under warranty, so I did get a new battery sent out for the Mini T, which were nice. And also you get the instructions, you get a set of batteries and an Allen key. Nice that the batteries come with it, especially if you're getting one of these for a Christmas present. You don't want to take it out of the box and not be able to use it. And it looks like you get a couple of spare body pins, or one spare body pin, and looks like a few of the drive shaft parts as a replacement spare, and some of these links. Now I'm not sure if that's to change the length of vehicle. Some of these longer and shorter maybe. We'll have to dive in deeper and have a look. But yeah, that's the first look. We've got the transmitter To be honest, that feels a lot nicer than the stock transmitter that came with Mini T. Let's have a look. So what adjustment do we have on here? So channels, reverse. Not sure what the low, mid and high does. Dual rates, bind, your on off switch. It looks like that's trim adjustment for channel 1. But yeah, it's not the quality of the MB4, but as remotes go, for the price of this vehicle, I mean, we paid £128 delivered in UK. And yeah, for that price, I can't fault the quality of the vehicle or the transmitter it comes with. So thanks for watching WTF RC Cars. If you like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell and we'll get some running videos of this one. And I'll see you again next time.